See, this is where the rug on the thing outside.
I know, he can grip it. I think he's gonna come down.
That's crazy.
Come, baby. Come. Come on, Griffey.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That is funny. That's too funny. That's funny. That's funny. Oh.
Yeah, Griffin! Good boy!
You can do it, baby.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Come on, baby.
Oh, that's the coolest.
Smart cat. Come on, baby. Oh, come on, Bubba. Oh, baby pig. Go that way. That's where you go.
So, that was the first.
That was a self-rescue right there.
That was awesome.
That was a self-rescue.
Yeah, you're itchy, huh? Griffey K. I can't believe he did it. I never thought in a million years he would do that. He's so smart.
His name, your name, and what happened, and how it started, and how it ended.
Well, his name is Griffin. My name is Mary, and he ended up in a tree. But he came down the ladder all by himself. Very proud of my smart boy.
Yep, that's it.